Steps are explained as below. First is identification of transaction. Accounting deals with the business transactions which are monetary in nature. In other words, the transactions which can't be measured and expressed in terms of money can't be recorded in accounting. Okay, students, now come to the next. Preparation of voucher. On the basis of source document, entries are first of all recorded on voucher, and then on the basis of vouchers, recording is made in the journal or books of original entry. Recording in the books of original entry. The books in which transactions are recorded for the first time from a voucher or source document are called book of original entry. Next step, posting to ledger. The next step in the accounting process is to transfer all entries recorded in journal or subsidiary books to respective accounts in ledger. In ledger, similar nature transactions are recorded at one place in an account opened in their name, which will provide a complete picture of all the transactions relating to them at a glance. Next, fifth step, preparation of trial balance and financial statement. Last step in accounting process is the balancing of ledger accounts and the preparation of trial balance with the help of such balances, means by ledger balances. It is a statement, means trial balance is the statement. If trial balance does not tally, it indicates that some errors in posting or balancing of accounts have occurred, and steps are taken to locate and rectify such errors. As the trial balance contains the balance of all ledger accounts, it provides a basis for preparation of financial statements, namely trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Students, we can't change the process of these works. It means we follow is in sequence, means first we identify transaction, then we prepare voucher, recording in books of original entry, posting to ledger, preparation of trial balance and financial statement. Thank you, students.